What's up guys, it's your girl Vivian aka Curly Rose, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your falsies and all of that jazz. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it is quick, simple, and easy for you. Make sure you give me a like, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and let's get into it. I'm going to zoom myself in, so don't be alarmed. So we're going to be really up close and personal so you guys can see what I'm doing, period. No, but seriously. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So all the tools you guys are going to need are actually going to be down below. I'm just going to take a pair of Random Lashes by Villain Lashes. I'm going to get me some random mascara just to coat the my natural lashes to blend with the falsies. I only apply the mascara where I'm going to place the falsies. That's just a quick tip. I don't apply mascara over my entire natural lashes. That's doing too much. So anyway, now I'm going to take my dual lash glue and the fake lash, and I'm just going to brush on the glue. I'm going to tap on the ends, and I'm going to brush over the entire band right at the top. I kind of like to hold the lash up front and tap the ends. I'm going to take a small compact mirror, and I'm going to use my lash applicator, and basically I wait until the glue gets purpley or bluish color, and then I just kind of literally just place it on my eye. I'm showing you the same thing again just to slow it down for you. I am taking the fake lash and pushing it down over my real lashes because I have curly lashes, and then I just push the falsie onto my skin, as you guys can see. If you need to watch it again, just rewind it, of course. And then I just grab the ends like I'm doing now, and I just lift or kind of tug or pull out, lift up, push down, push back. That's just how I like to apply them. But basically, as long as you have the end and the middle tucked and the inner corner tucked, it's pretty much on. But I start off with the middle part of the lash. That's how I place it, and then I go for the end. Some people don't apply it that way. Figure out what works best for you. This is just what works for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to just mushing my natural lashes in with the falsies. And sometimes I have to use my fingers as well. That's okay. Just make sure you wash your hands. And once I got that pretty much done, the lashes are on, they're dried, but then you have this big old crusty band looking thing. So I have to use some NYX matte black eyeliner, and I use a eyeliner brush. I don't use the actual applicator tip because the liner is all over that tip that you can see, and it gets all over your eye. So just make sure you use a eyeliner brush. Don't use that at all because it's going to get on your eye. And then I just go over the crustiness basically, and then I'm looking delicious, or maybe you're gonna look delicious, I don't know, at least by the eyes. So anyway, that's basically that on that. And I just basically go a little past where I placed the lash and a little before where I placed the lash, so that way it doesn't look crazy. But anyway, as you can see, there's a huge difference. There's more spacing on the left side than the right side, so make sure y'all just hide everything. It's basically the end of the video. The only thing I didn't show you guys was how to trim your lashes. The reason why is because I already trimmed my lashes yesterday, and I tried to film this video, but it was a whole flop. So anyway, the main thing I can tell you guys is to just align the lash without any glue. Just place it on your eye and see where it's kind of too long, and kind of just hold it and move it along with your finger, and then the part that you're holding, you can cut that piece off on the end. I recommend cutting the end off if you're going to trim your lashes. If you cut off the inside, it kind of loses its flare on the inside, but it just depends on how you like your lash to look. I also recommend starting off with Drugstore lashes. Do not get any of these kind of lashes just yet, because you're going to go through a lot of them with the cutting and the trimming, and you don't want to buy luxury lashes when you don't really know how to wear them, because they may break, you may not do them or apply the glue properly. Anything could happen, and then you're wasting $30 because you don't know how to put on lashes. So hopefully this video helped you. Leave a comment down below, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Curly Rose is out. Bye!